Thank you for purchasing T-Sonik Mini. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to install your water activator. In the box, you will find your T-Sonik Mini, a faucet adapter, shower hose connectors, and universal wrench for removing the faucet aerator, gaskets, and handy tissue bag to store your T-Sonik Mini kit. To install your activator on a faucet with a female connector, you will need your T-Sonik Mini, the faucet adapter, and a universal wrench. Screw the faucet adapter onto your T-Sonik Mini. Unscrew the aerator from the faucet using the universal wrench. Install T-Sonik Mini. Let the water flow to make sure there are no leaks. Your T-Sonik Mini is correctly installed and ready to use.